Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be re-upholstering this chair. So as you can see, it's like a traditional dining chair with the skirting on it. So I'm going to remove all the fabric off camera and re-upholster it with a white leatherette fabric. So without saying much more guys, let's just get right to the video now. After removing the fabric, I'm now adding a little piece of foam on the seating area just to firm it up a bit. It's not worn, but I just want to give it some more strength. Now I'm adding the leatherette. I stitched the fabric earlier, so I'm just adding the piece for the seating area. Now I'm stapling down the leatherette on the chair. I'm stapling on the front of the chair because I've decided to add back the skirting in another style. So these chairs will be used for party rental and party decor. So the skirting would make it look more fun and interesting. Now I'm adding leatherette to the backrest section. Then I'm stapling from the back. Now I'll slit the front. Tuck in the excess fabric. Turn around the chair, pull it down and staple it to the back. Now I'm folding over the sides and stapling it. Now I'm adding the lining at the back. So I'm using these pieces of cardboard strips to create the seam. Then I'm going to use some metal finishing strips on the sides to close it up. Now I'm folding over the strips, after which I'm going to nail them down. Now I'm pulling down the fabric and stapling just to remove all the seam. Now I'm adding a temporary skirting just to hide the legs. In the future I might just change this type of skirting, but for now I'll just keep it like this. So guys, this is the final look. I did 4 of them, but 2 of them are not completely finished as yet. Remember to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.